Oh, this is my first video. Wait, which the camera do I look at?
Go forward, straight.
This one is the one. This one's the one I'm supposed to look at.
Yeah.
Hey guys, my name is what's the channel's name? Unbox Therapy. Who chose that? Doesn't even make any sense. Okay, all right, we're unboxed. That's the full name. What if this actually works for us? Okay, all right. Hello, I'm nauseous. It's my first time. You're watching Unbox Therapy today, and today we're gonna be we're going to be spread. We're gonna open my box for reviews today. We have a very a special box today. This one is it's a good one. We should probably show them what we're unboxing it for. This is for my 2009 Porsche Cayman. Not regular Porsche Cayman. Today we have the today we're gonna unbox some Soul Performance headers, racing headers for the Porsche Cayman. We're gonna review them today, okay? We're gonna review the box and the things inside of the box, because I think it's supposed to be therapy for you guys. As you can see on the box, it says Soul. It says Soul, S-O-U-L. Very nice quality. It's you can tell the UPS didn't get the box messed up. As you can see here, we have our address on the box, and that's that's just quality assurance to make sure that this is the box that's supposed to be for us. That doesn't say Unbox Therapy. And it's supposed to be 25 pounds, but to me, honestly, for me today, personally, I didn't think that this was a 25-pound package. So that's my first thoughts. I don't think that maybe, well, let's open the box. These glasses are making me nauseous. All right, so we've got a nice thick layer of tape. It's really good for security purposes. That's usually what you do is you tape up a box. Let me go ahead and spread this. Let me go ahead and open this for you. Well, would you look at this? It has been leaked. The leak has been tested by EF. The packing has been signed off. It's been shipped. It comes with my driver's side header, passenger side header, some mate by, I don't know what that means. But here's the picture. Here's what the headers are supposed to look like. But we're gonna actually show you what the real headers look like. Oh, they come with instructions. How hard can it be? Comes with a microfiber. That's really just a nice touch, you know? I've always loved companies that give me some cleaning supplies along with my headers. Here you've got, these are nice. These are gaskets is what they call them these days. And you put these in between the two pieces of the exhaust. Let's move on. I don't know what this, I think these are inhalers. I think somebody accidentally hacked an inhaler. Hello, keys. If this is an inhaler, this is the coolest inhaler I've ever seen. It's actually not an inhaler. This is an O2 spacer, and it spaces it out so that you don't get a check engine light, which is pretty sick, because this is not supposed to be, okay, I've got to take these glasses off because I'm gonna vomit if I wear these any longer. I don't know why the channel makers told me I had to wear glasses all. Maybe that makes me more credible. Does it make me look smarter?
Yeah.
I can't look smart without glasses. So there's Soul Performance. You can obviously tell the quality here is very good. Let's go ahead and I'll hold this up for you right here. This is a very nice touch. I'm glad here at Unbox Therapy today we were able to show you this. That actually made me very sick. I don't know how much longer I can hold character because that gave me a headache and I'm pretty nauseous.
What are you taking out?
What am I taking out? These are
Pillows?
I don't know, I haven't been unboxing for very long, so I'm not really a professional yet. I would say these are probably not pillows, because they definitely don't feel like, they're not pillows. This is my first time ever unboxing things, guys, so if you want to see more of things of me unboxing, make sure that you go to my channel and you hit the subscribe button for more times where I get for more unboxing videos. Okay, this actually is incredible. These are the headers. This would be the passenger side header, and it has been coated. Oh my God, the actual quality of this is absolutely incredible. And as much as this might look like a sticker on the side here, that is actually, it's been masked off. It's the original material that has not been sprayed over, so that's part of the header. It's not a sticker, no nothing. It's just a very good looking thing. I can hear the ocean. It's peaceful. I think I hear a jellyfish. Wow. Stop, you can't do that. I can't hold character. Now we will unbox more. There's a lot of pillows. There's a lot of things in here to protect these precious assets. This is the other side, which I'm not going to lie to you, is basically the other side, just the opposite direction. This one also sounds like the ocean.
No, the mountains.
I hear somebody yodeling in the distance, and wow, it sounds like death. It's nice. This also, we are going to use the O2 spacers right here so that I don't have the check engine light. Wow, this, the quality, the welds here are actually pretty incredible. As you can see, like there's welds here, there's a lot of bends. It's not just everything welded together, there's very high quality bends. So Sole Performance really, I think, did a pretty great job. I'm gonna polish these back up before we put these on the car tomorrow or the next day. I don't know what I'm gonna, I don't know. I don't know if there's anything else in the box. There is actually one more thing left in the box. There used to be an application on the iPhone where you could pop these with your fingers. This one doesn't. That's the dumbest pop I've ever heard in my life, so we're not gonna, yeah, that's terrible. We're not gonna play with those today. These headers from Sole Performance are $1,800 plus shipping, and I believe for this part I probably need glasses to make myself sound smart. They obviously are very high in quality. The point of building my Porsche was to really retain high quality. There's no skip pieces. I'm not other car YouTubers. I like to actually do things right the first time. So we are going to be doing great things with this car. Sole Performance has been a great part of this. Now, today I would like to welcome my special guest. Her name was, Wendy. Her name is Wendy. I'm gonna have her sit on my, there's no other seat, so I don't know her, but she's gonna sit on my lap. Is that, we can do that? Okay, Wendy, come here.
I'm not looking in the camera.
Why?
I told you I'm not ready for the day.
You look great. Just
No.
cover your face. We told you were supposed to be a special guest. I just want you to hear the ocean. Wendy does not want to be on camera right now. Thank you for, it's been, you come back now. We have officially unboxed let's go over this again. We've got two headers that will be installed on each side of the motor because the engine is a Boxster motor. It's a H formation, sort of like a Subaru, but better, and it doesn't break all the time.
Is it 2 per side? Or is it 2 total and 1 on either side? Because you said you have 2 for this.
That's not my job to know. I unbox things. Okay. I have people that tell me what to say, and then sometimes I'll 2 headers, O2 spacers, gaskets, and then I have bolts somewhere in here. That is going to be all we are unboxing today. We want to unbox, wait, what was it?
Therapy?
You're serious, like it's really unboxed. At Unbox Therapy, we want to thank you for being a part of this this broadcast. Thank you for being a part of this video. We hope that you enjoyed me cutting open a box, and we hope to reach millions of views someday. I want millions of people to watch my hands touch a box. I think that would be just a really solid job. Yeah, that would be really cool. Thank you guys. Alright, I can't stand doing this anymore. Thank you guys for watching this video. Again, huge thanks to Sole Performance. This is really cool for the partial sponsorship on this. I'm really excited to make this Porsche loud as possible. I mean, I don't think you guys are ready. Like, the Porsche's already kind of loud, but it's going to be extremely, extremely loud. Like, it's basically at this point going to be straight piped. I know usually it's really hard to capture exhaust on camera, but we're going to try and do our best. We're going to be installing these either tomorrow or the next day. I also have something else. I actually have my coilovers to install. We're really going to get going. We're going to get going ham on the Porsche this week, and we also have something for the SRT coming as well today. So, gonna be nuts. Thank you again, Sole Performance. This is really cool. They actually just included these for me, which is really nice. These are an extra, I don't know. I don't know how much extra these are. I think they're an extra like $100. Don't quote me on that. It might be $60, something like that. But anyways, this is with shipping. I like to be transparent with you guys. With shipping, these headers retail cost about $2,000, but they're racing spec. Like without a doubt, these are going to be the best set of headers you can get for a Porsche. And Sole, they make a lot of stuff, so I encourage you guys to check out their site. If you like Porsche, if you like exhausts, if you want to hear some other stuff, they have some sound clips on their site. So check out Sole Performance. It's the link I have in the description. I'll link them to you guys. It'll be really tight. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and... I feel better now. I'm going to go ahead and dip, and we hope to see you next time on some... What should we call this? Cardboard psychology.
I like that.
Next time on Cardboard Psychology, we'll see ya. We'll see you around, except I probably will get fake glasses this time around so that I'll make myself puke. See you guys later. This is my first video. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Peace out and be victorious. I like that. I think I like this. I'm gonna take these glasses off. Make sure you guys watch one of those 2 videos I got right in front of your head, your face, and don't stop watching. I promise you I've got so much good content on this channel. You just keep watching. I'm not begging though. If you don't wanna watch, get out of here.